All right, Zippo was nice enough to send me one of their special edition lighters today. Let's take a look at this thing. Now it comes in the normal Zippo black box, and the label on it says Barbour Street Building. So the inside, you can see this is a special edition. It says right there, special edition made in the USA. And it is the 60th anniversary of the opening of the Barbour Street building headquarters. I'm not sure if it's headquarters, but there is a 60th anniversary edition. Now this is on a black ebony finish, high polish. So it's going to take fingerprints. Got a real good sound. Steel insert. Good flame. So that is the 60th anniversary special edition of the Barbour Street opening. This was opened in 1956. And let's take a look at the bottom. Okay, you can see it says Zippo, Bradford, PA, and it was made in, looks like, oh shoot, looks like a B of 15. So that is February of last year this was made. Kind of hard to see those engravings, the stampings. There they are. B of 15, Zippo. So that is a special edition, 60th anniversary of the Barbour Street building opening. And I guess that deserves just a little cowbell. Knuckle bump.